How do we capture the price action? By means of charts. We will see now the type of charts which we used in the market. Three most popular type of charts are line charts, bar charts, and candlestick charts. And some other most powerful charts which are used for positional trading or Renko chart, Hinkin-Achi, Kagi, point and figure. Line charts. The picture shows exactly how the line chart look like. It's a very simple line chart draws a line by connecting everyday closing price. It just gives the general price movement over the period of time. Bar charts. Bar charts are look like this as we shown in the picture. When the market is up for the particular day, the open price will be in the below and low will be marked in the low and high will be marked in the high, and the closing of the price should be higher than the open price, then the close will be marked in the right side. And in the charts we can easily identify by means of colors, red and green. And when the closing price is lower than the open price, then the open price will be shown here and the closing price will be marked here. Candlestick charts. The picture shows exactly how the candlestick chart look like. This is most popular chart for the price action and technical analysis. When the market is green, we get the green candlestick, and when the market is red, I mean the open price is greater than the closing price, we get the red candlestick. The components of the candlesticks and how to use the candlesticks we will discuss more detail in the candlestick patterns. From now we will use candlestick charts for our studies. Renko chart. The picture shows exactly how the Renko charts look like. The each box are called bricks. The word Renko is derived from the Japanese word Renga, which means brick. The history of Renko chart is in 1700s in Japan. The rice traders, when they sell one bag of rice, they keep one brick on the table. They keep add every brick for each rice bag selling. They just remove one brick when one bag of sold rice returned by the buyer. What it means, there is no timeline. When he sells, he add. When he get back the rice bag, then he remove it. So there is no timeline for the brick adding and removing. So the same principle which is implemented in the stock market, what will happen with our chart is the chart built using the price movement rather than both price and standardized time interval like most charts are doing. Renko charts filter out noise and helps traders to more clearly see the trend. Since all movements that are smaller than the box size are filtered out. Renko charts have a time axis, but the time scale is not fixed, as I said in the past. Some bricks may take longer to form than others, depending on how long it takes the price to move the required box size. A brick can be any price size such as 1, 2, 5, 10, or even 100 price unit, or in terms of percentage, that is 0.1 percentage, 1 percentage, or 5 percentage. It depends upon the trader's requirement. This is called as box size. Box size can also be based on average true range, that is ATR. By default is 14, or you can also use 5. It's based on the user preference. Hinkinacci. This is the Hinkinacci chart. We should use Hinkinacci chart along with candlestick chart to know exactly the trend of the market. Hinkinacci, also called as Hinkain-achi, means average bar in Japanese language. It can be used in conjunction with candlestick charts when trading to see current market trends and predict the future price. Traders can use Hinkinanchi chart to know when to stay, when to exit the trade when the market trend pause or reverse. Hinkinanchi chart for the candlestick to stay red during the downtrend and green during the uptrend, whereas normal candlesticks alternate colors even if the price is moving dominantly in one direction. The formula to calculate the Fibonacci open, close, high, low or here. The closing price will be calculated by adding open, close, low and close by 4, and the open price is calculated by open of previous bar plus close of previous bar by 2. The high is the max of high open close and the low is calculated minimum of low open close. Kagi chart. The picture shows exactly how the Kagi charts look like. The Kagi chart, also called it as Kagiyashi, was originally developed in Japan during 1870s when Japanese stock market started trading. It was used for tracking the price movement of rice and found use in determining the general levels of supply and demand for certain assets. It attempts to filter out random noise and concentrate on the important moves that act as a driver of an asset trend. The thickness and also color of the line changes when price reaches the high or low of the previous vertical line. The direction of line changes when price reaches preset reversal amount, which is usually set at a different percentage based on user needs or can be used with ATR. When direction change occurs, the short horizontal line is drawn between the lines of the opposite direction. It is exact, the last point is exactly like Renko chart, which is used. Point and figure charts. The picture shows exactly how the point and figure charts look like. When market is going up, it will show with green X or cross. When this market is coming down, it will come with O or shape. Point and figure charts are based primarily on price action, not time. An cross or X is created when price move higher by a set amount called box size. And O is created when price drops the box size amount. If there is no significant price movement over the time, price and figure charts will show no new data. It's also similar like Renko and Kagi chart. The key to point and figure charting is box size, the amount of price movement that determine whether X or O is added to the chart. For example, say the box size with the price unit 1 or 2 or it's based on the user preference, or we can also use as we said for Renko and Kagi, we can use ATR to plot the chart. Among all other charts, I prefer to use Renko chart for positional trading. If you well noticed the Renko chart when the Nifty was falling to 7,600 and if you see the RSI showing the positive divergence. With the Renko chart, when we see the green brick and we can buy above the green brick. So we have a positive divergence along with the green brick high we can buy. So if you notice we got the Nifty at 8,000 level buy. But in market all the experts and all others are spoke that Nifty will come to 6,000 level, but it is not true. So for this purpose, we use Renko chart. Here, lot of noise are eliminated. It clearly shows the buy at 8,000 level. You can use Renko chart for positional trading and you will be surprised the result. If you see still there is no sell is active. It's keep going. But now it is above 70 level and now almost 89 RSI. We should be a bit caution, but I will not say it will fall. market will fall, it will come down, it will consolidate, and it may go again. We don't know exactly. We will see, instead of predicting the market, we will go along with the market.